kids, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So kids, welcome to the SST class. Today we will start new chapter, lesson number 16, pollution. So let's discuss big picture of this lesson. In this chapter, we will study about what is pollution, what are the different types of pollution, what are its causes, what are its effects, and how can it be reduced. So, in today's class, we will learn about pollution, land pollution and air pollution. Land pollution, its causes and effects, and also how can it be reduced. Air pollution, its causes and effects, and how can it be reduced. Before that, have a look on terminology of this chapter. Number first, pollution, the process of polluting air, water and land. Number second, land pollution, addition of harmful substances in the land. Number third, air pollution, addition of harmful substances in the air. Water pollution, addition of harmful substances in the water. Noise pollution, addition of unpleasant sound in the environment. So kids, what is pollution? Pollution is anything that makes our earth dirty. All our natural resources like land, air and water are affected by pollution. In our daily life, we use many things which spreads pollution. Pollution is of 4 types: land pollution, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. So now open your book, page number 79, and let's start reading. Lesson number 16, pollution. Raghu: Ma'am, the road outside the school is very dirty. Underline the word dirty and write down its meaning, not clean. Teacher: Yes, Raghu, we have called up the authorities as the road has not been swept for the past few days. Underline the word authorities and write down its meaning, people who have powers. Underline the word swept and write down its meaning, to clean the floor. Rani: Ma'am, there is a sweeper who cleans the road outside my house. Who is sweeper? A person who cleans the road. Okay kids? So now in this chapter there is a conversation between teacher and her students. One student is telling teacher that the road outside the school is very messy. The teacher is telling them the road has not been cleaned from few days. So they have called up the authorities. So kids, as the road is not clean, so it is a cause of land pollution. Now let's continue reading. Teacher: Rani, we must maintain cleanliness, otherwise we will fall ill. Underline the word cleanliness and write down its meaning, keeping things clean. Above all, we must not pollute the environment and should keep our surroundings clean. Underline the word environment and write down its meaning, the place where we live. Underline the word surroundings and write down its meaning, something around us. Then Teacher guided the students about the environment. She told them to keep surroundings clean and green to stay healthy. Also, in this way, land pollution can be reduced. Now, let's read the fact. Why are trees planted along the roadsides? As we all know, we get oxygen from plants, and also they take in harmful carbon dioxide. Right, kids? So that is why trees are planted along the roadsides to give us fresh air, and also trees help in reducing pollution. Okay, kids? So now we will discuss causes, effects, and prevention of land pollution. Now, land pollution is caused by dumping of solid waste on the road, as people do not throw wrappers, plastic bottles in the bin. They throw it on the road, which spreads land pollution. So it is a cause of land pollution. It has many effects on human health, like breathing problems, skin diseases, etc. Also, it has effects on animals. Land pollution also causes other pollutions as well. For example, when wind blows, the dirty particles present on the land get mixed into the air, which will cause air pollution. Right, kids? So, kids, to reduce land pollution, we should reduce solid waste. Also, we should plant more and more trees. Now, we will continue reading. Do you know that in some cities, buses run on a gas called CNG? Underline the word CNG and write down its full form: compressed natural gas. This is because CNG does not release fumes and is environment friendly. Underline the word fumes and write down its meaning: smoke. Underline the word environment friendly and write down its meaning: nature friendly. So now the teacher started discussing about air pollution with the students. She is telling them about compressed natural gas, CNG, as whenever we want to go somewhere, we use our vehicles, right? And that spreads air pollution. So kids, local buses, auto rickshaws run on CNG in some cities to reduce air pollution. Now we will continue reading. Come on the next page. Has anyone noticed that the gardener keeps collecting the dry leaves in one corner of the park? Underline the word gardener and write down its meaning: person who takes care of the garden. Class together. Yes, ma'am. He has collected a lot of leaves, but he does not burn them or throw them away. So, now here the teacher is telling students about smoke pollution, which is a type of air pollution. She is telling them that the gardener does not burn the dry leaves or he does not throw them away. He makes a hole in the corner of the garden. Since burning would cause smoke pollution, he will make a pit in one corner of the playground and throw them in the pit and cover them. After some time, the leaves will turn into compost, and this would be used for growing grass. Underline the word pit and write down its meaning whole. Underline the word playground and write down its meaning a place to play. Underline the word compost and write down its meaning mixture of dead plants, old food, etc. Now, the gardener makes a hole in corner of the garden and puts all the dry leaves in a hole and covers it, because burning of the leaves will spread smoke pollution, so that is why the gardener do so. After some time, the leaves turn into compost that helps in growing plants. Isn't that great? Similarly, on Diwali, we must not burst crackers as it causes both noise and smoke pollution. Underline the word burst and write down its meaning burn. So kids, we should not burn crackers on Diwali, okay? So kids, what are the causes of air pollution? Smoke from vehicles, smoke from factories, burning of crackers and garbage are the causes of air pollution. Also, it has many harmful effects on human health. It causes diseases like asthma, skin allergies, etc. So, to reduce it, we should not burn garbage, we should use less vehicles, and also we should plant more and more trees. Okay kids? So what we learned today? Pollution is anything that makes our earth dirty. Air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, and land pollution are different types of pollution. Air pollution is caused by using of vehicles and smoke from factories, and it affects human health, so it can be reduced by using less vehicles and by planting more and more trees. Land pollution is caused due to dumping of solid waste on the road, and also it causes breathing problems, skin diseases, so it can be reduced by reducing solid waste and by planting trees. So kids, revise the terms of this chapter and read both the pages again. Thank you.